Hello everyone, welcome to my Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix or how to stop beep sound in your CP plus DVR. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are continuously hearing beep sound in your CP plus DVR, then I will show you how to stop this. You can see event option, click on this event option. After that, you can see here abnormality. You have to click on this. After that, here you can see enable option, and below the second one is buzzer. You have to just uncheck this option and you have to disable this option. Then click on apply. Then close this window. After doing this, you can stop beep sound on your CP plus DVR. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.